I'm going to regret making this. Over here, every single relaxing sound that I've put on my channel. If I miss any, please tell me. Man. You know, let's just start off with where the entire channel with relaxing sounds started, with the blanket. You know, this was the first ever sound on the channel, so let's go ahead and let's do it. How's this? Does it feel nice? Oh. Okay. You guys know how much I hate long relaxing sounds videos, but you guys keep asking for it, so I had an idea. What if I make the longest relaxing sounds video, and then you guys can just rewatch it over and over again, right? Next up, we have stitch scratching. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love scratching the stitches. Oh, also another thing, if you say first under this video, actually under any video, yeah, your comment's gonna get taken down. I know it sounds mean, but I did explain it in a post. Put it up here. So I mean, because I know how much you guys hate people who say first, and how much I hate people who say first. So let's just not say it. Okay. Sorry. Now we have close or far. So I'm gonna cover your eyes. Tell me if this sound is close or far. So now tell me, is this close or far? Close. Okay, good. Now this one. Far. Okay, one more. Far. Good. And then close. Great job. Next up, the camera. Now before I start with this one, that's gonna be a pain for me to edit. So I'm gonna look at the camera. Listen to me. You're editing this right now, right? I'm sorry, but you can do this. I believe in you. You've got this. Okay, now let's go. Look, you can see the thing in there. And selfie. Say cheese. Okay. Next up, wand. I'm getting some I'm getting some of the lesser known sounds out of the way. Just put that one aside. This is gonna be a pain to clean up. Okay, as some of you guys know, unfortunately I do not have the scanning sound, so instead we got a replacement. Scanning. Okay, now look at the pen. Look at it. Follow it. Now look at my nose. Look at my nose, and now look at this trophy. Look at the trophy, and then look at Goofy. Look at Goofy the dog. Really quickly, what's your name? Oh, there's more? Okay. It's a very short name. Storytelling. You're walking? Wait, no. You're scrolling. Okay, so, yeah. Yeah. The end. Okay. Next up. You guys told me that this sound, which is absolutely terrible, you told me I could press it. No, absolutely nothing happens. Just click the buttons. Now it's... Okay, next up we have Funko Pop. Okay, I love that sound. Now we're starting to get into the more known. Actually, we still have like one or two lesser known. Actually, I'm going to start with this one. This one's like the least known. I use this in one of my early sounds, or in my early videos. I really acknowledged it. It was only appeared once. Next up we have the hat. Remember, if I missed any, definitely tell me in the comments. The wood block. Don't forget the Dream Skull. This one is an absolute OG. Chocolates. I think this only appeared twice. That's good. Okay. I'm surprised that this one's still here. I kind of forgot about it. We have flip book. You guys can't really see it. What if I... Here, okay. Now, personally, one of my favorites. You guys got to enjoy this, because this may or may not be the last time you're going to see it. May or may not, okay? Wait, look at him. He's this big. What the? Why is he so big? Do you see that? Why does he get so large? So long? I've never seen that. Next up. I didn't really show you guys that one. That's fine. Pick a stick. 1 through 17. I'll pick 8. It was 11. Did you pick 11? Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite sound? And also, if any of you are determined enough, if any of you are patient enough, if any of you are willing enough, I just got a comment that told me I look like Tung Sihor. Oh, Sonia. Okay, one sec. Now let's go on to stamping. Okay, let's go quickly. Bear book. This is a nice one. Okay, amazing. this book. Do you guys love it? Have you read it? Do you know it? And now we're gonna get into. Okay, let's go. What a name. I like that one. Mrs. Awesome Flakes. Would you buy this? Yes or no? Okay. Now guys, we have 4 sounds left. First one. I love this one. Next up. We have 2 left. Actually, no, 3 left, sorry. Measuring You. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. Now let's measure your nose. I might have to. That thing's huge. Start. Oh gosh. Shoot, we're not even halfway through. Okay, I'm gonna keep this there and I'm gonna move up. Okay, now that was right here, so let's continue measuring. Okay, then it was right here, so let's. And then I think this might be the last one. Is that even possible for a nose to beat that? Okay, next up, stronger note. Close that, good. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Very, very good. Okay. And lastly, the last one. Let's see if you guys can guess it. I'm pretty sure some of you might have been waiting for this one. So let's see. I think you can already guess what it is. Miss Rare. I actually have no idea that this might be one of my longest relaxing sounds video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so sorry, future self, for cleaning this up, editing this. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Okay, I forgot one very, 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 very important one. You all know and love him. Let's see if you can guess the actual last one. Subby Sandwich. He's a legend. He's a myth. He's the man. I put that in the wrong order, but who cares? It's Subby Sandwich. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, have a great day. See you in the next video. What do you know? I forgot another. Now, light bulb. Okay, now let's go. See you in the next video. Goodbye. I forgot another. And this is crazy because this is your favorite. Some of your favorites. And I love it too. Now, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.